take a trash bag?
Yeah, just like
Yeah.
a trash bag.
I started out always taking a trash bag, and I started out always picking something up. Then I just took the bag.
Then you started throwing the bag down.
No, well, no, it's not to that point yet.
Then I started filling the bag with trash and dumping it along my hike.
No, man. It could make you feel bad. It only tends to be trashy in the very busy areas. Mostly. Although we saw a little trash well, the 40-foot hole is a busy area too. So it's still true that a lot of the real lesser traveled areas aren't trashed at all. Because the real hikers know better than to leave a mess.
They should do some kind of like little program, like, you know, bring a bag of trash from your hike to the visitor center and they'll give you
A t-shirt?
half off the t-shirt, whatever.
Okay. Yeah. That looks kind of like yellow flowers there, but I think it's just a yellow spot on the rock.
Yeah, it's like